welcome to another video. And in today's video, I will share with you guys my thoughts and my predictions about Cardano or ADA. Now, before I get into it, I want to say that this video is not a financial advice at all, and I am not your financial advisor. So if you want to trade, do it carefully and do your own research first. Now, let's get into the charts. What does the chart tells us? Well, today Cardano just broke its previous all-time high of $1.56, and it is now at a level of $1.63. Also, it just broke out of this triangle that I've been following since a few weeks ago, and that is really a good sign, stating that Cardano is running and will keep running upwards. Now, I don't know if you have missed my previous video or have not seen it. The link is here above, actually. What I told you in the previous video is that there are 4 phases before alt season starts. Now, the first phase was that money flew into Bitcoin and Bitcoin's price went up a lot. Then we had phase 2, which was that Ethereum was outperforming Bitcoin and money flew into it, basically. Now we are now in phase 3, and that is that money will go into the major alts, and major alts will go parabolic. And one of those major alts is Cardano. Well, if you just think about it, my own strategy, for example, is that I want to make more Bitcoin. Because if you know that Bitcoin will go up, and Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, and the major alts are going to outperform Ethereum, then go make more Ethereum, and eventually you will have more Bitcoin also. And if you have more Bitcoin, then in the end, you will have more money. So that's my strategy. What I'm going to look at now, I won't look at USD. I won't look at BUSD charts and USDT charts. I'm going to take a look at the charts against Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's take a look at the ADA versus Bitcoin. First of all, what I want to say about this chart is that ADA has just been in an accumulating phase. You see, the ADA just went parabolic up there, and then it calmed down and it accumulated until now, and it is now just went up, and I can definitely see it going to rise up until there and forming somewhat of a cup. So that is what I think is going to happen for ADA when we look at the Bitcoin chart. Now, where are we at the moment? We actually just broke out of this triangle here back in April, end of April. And we are now looking steady, and we are actually now just crossing that previous resistance zone. And I am hoping, and I will keep a look at it for tomorrow also to see if this resistance zone will become the next support level for the next day. Now, what I hope for today to happen is that this candle, this green candle right here, that it will close above the resistance zone. And the next candle of tomorrow, that it will close off above the resistance, proving that it will be the next support line. Now, what I'm really interested in is the chart of ADA against Ethereum. And what we see here right now, it kind of have the same structure of the Bitcoin against Ethereum, Bitcoin against ADA chart, and which is that it went all parabolic at the beginning, and it is now at the accumulating phase, and it is starting to pump again. So where do I see it go? First of all, I have three targets for ADA against Ethereum, and that is the previous resistance zone of this year and also of the beginning when Cardano went parabolic. Now, what can I see here is right now at this moment, we are still in the buy zone moment. That means that this chart can go much further above. And if we'll take a look at the previous resistance, which is this orange line right here, um, I believe and I think that this chart and Cardano will go and test that resistance once again. But first of all, before it go up to that resistance, it will try to break this resistance first, which is at 65,094 satoshis. It will try to break that resistance. Well, if you can see it here, breaking that resistance, which will mean that you will have a 35% gain in Ethereum. Now, if Cardano will go all above to the orange resistance line, that'll mean that you will have 113% gain in Ethereum. You will make 113% more Ethereum. And because Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, in the end, you will have made more Bitcoin also. Now, I'm not sure that it will go all the way up until the previous resistance zone, the green line. I don't know if it will happen in this bull run, but I'm sure that it will surely test that resistance zone again. And if that happens in this bull run in this coming months and coming weeks, that will mean that you will have 193, almost 194% of gain in Ethereum only. Now, isn't that a good news? So my tip and my strategy is I will invest in these major alts to make more Ethereum. And from that Ethereum, at the moment that everything else calms down and it goes back, money flows back into Bitcoin, then I will put my Ethereum into Bitcoin. So in the end, I will go from making money into making more money into making more money. So I'll go into the major alts, I'll put it back into Ethereum, and when Ethereum calms down and Bitcoin goes parabolic, I will put my money of Ethereum into Bitcoin. So I'm making money by making money. So I don't know what your strategy is, but that's just what I want to share with you today. Please subscribe, like, and comment this video if you have any more questions or if you have another token that you want me to look at. So, guys, trade carefully, do your own research, and see you in the next video. Ciao!